If you've ever wanted a cleaner home screen by removing folder labels on your iPhone, here's a simple trick to achieve that. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for blank character. You'll find websites that provide an invisible Unicode character. Open one of these sites and copy the blank character. You can also try manually typing a space instead, but this won't achieve the desired effect. Next, locate the folder whose label you want to remove. Long press the folder until the edit menu appears, then select Rename. Now, simply paste the blank character into the text field and save the changes. That's it. Your folder name will now appear empty, giving your home screen a sleek, minimalist look. For an even cleaner setup, you can hide all text labels, including app names, by increasing the icon size in your iPhone's accessibility settings. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.